Hi, I'm Phil. I'm a regional sales manager at Karcher, and I've been here for about 9 years. I start each day by loading demo equipment I'll be showing customers. It takes some skill to fit everything in the truck, but after so many years, I've gotten the hang of it. No matter the property, we have something to make cleaning it a breeze. Interested customers walk me through their facility, and I make recommendations on which product would help them clean better, faster. Have tight spaces to clean and need to keep the volume down? Our back will do the trick. I don't just talk to them about our products. I make sure they experience it themselves. When I run demos, they get to test our machines on the very hallways they clean every day. Watching them realize how much easier our machines can make their job, that's a wow moment for sure. It's all about cleaning smarter, so I also show them how to unlock the full potential of their new machines. By teaching them the best cleaning practices and how to maintain our products, they can confidently clean for years to come. Having awesome customers means I visit some awesome places. Earlier, I swung by the Denver Museum of Nature and Science to let them test out an autonomous vacuum. I've seen the Broncos Stadium, Maxar, and some high-security places I couldn't even bring my phone inside. I'm often on the move, but the flexibility of my schedule is great. The ability to take my kid to an appointment or school, it's no big deal. And I may be solo in the field, but I'm never on my own. Our team has a great sense of collaboration, and we often reach out to each other whenever we have questions or need advice. So what do you think?
Want to wow with us?